Welcome to the Freedom Kitchens exhibition at the Sydney Home Show. I'd like to just walk you through some of our products and show you our exciting exhibition here. Freedom Kitchens have been doing kitchens for almost 30 years. We have our own factory. Everything is produced in our own factory, so we have total control over the manufacture of your kitchen. And because we are not outsourcing, we can be really competitive with price. We do all the kitchens and laundries on the block, so we know how to do beautiful kitchens that add a lot of value to your property. This particular kitchen is our super matte black kitchen. It's this beautiful, smooth super matte door. You get the super matte black on the back and the front. All of our edging is ABS edging. ABS is the stuff that Lego's made of, so you won't get any chipping and peeling. The front of the cabinets is also all ABS edging. The backs of our cabinetry are solid 16mm backing. A lot of companies use plywood or masonite, but we know how important it is for the quality of your kitchen, for the integrity of the structure, that you have a really good solid structure to start with. All of our hinges and drawer runners are all soft close. German Hettich brand, the best in the world. Lifetime guarantee on them all. So this particular handle on this one is called the Peak handle. It is a fully integrated stainless steel handle, so you don't need to get any finger marks on the actual door. You just put your fingers in, and to clean it you can just wipe it out, and it's all soft close. On your drawers, you do not lose any space on the drawers because it is not cut down with the base of the drawer there, the back of the drawer. It is fully integrated into the front of the drawer, and the drawers are fully extendable, so you get the optimum use of your drawers. Everything soft close. This particular bench top is our matte black bench top, our super matte black. It's actually a laminate bench top. It is a nano system bench top. What that means, should you get any minor scratches on it, you can actually get a warm iron and a damp cloth and put a little bit of heat on it and it reseals. We only use the best quality products. Our laminate bench tops all come from Duropal in Germany. Duropal is the world leader in laminate bench tops. This is our Caesarstone bench top, the very latest Caesarstone style. This is called Excava. We are the first showroom to have the pleasure of showcasing this beautiful bench top. This is our 20mm. You can get 20mm or 40mm. But what a wow to add to any kitchen. It will be available in Australia from July, and I'm sure that we'll be very busy with orders for this particular bench top. We are very flexible with bench tops too. This is where Freedom Kitchens are different to other kitchen companies. We are flexible with bench tops, appliances, and even installation. We do 2 great brands of appliances, but if you want to get your own appliances, we'll work with you. With bench tops, we do Caesarstone and our laminates, but if you want to get a slice of a tree or a stainless steel bench top, we'll work with you. We just make it all as easy as possible so that this process is not too stressful for you. We can supply pull-out pantries. They come in 300mm wide or 500mm. They take 80 kilograms in weight. All the shelves are adjustable, all soft close. What a great use of space that is. We also have the Tanzel pull-out drawers. These have Perspex bases for easy clean. All soft close. What a great use of a pantry space that is. Instead of bending down and climbing into the bottom of it, you just pull it out, load it up, and you can see everything is visual. And once again, it's all soft close. I'll take you around to our Essentials kitchen. Our Essentials kitchen is Known in Australia as the flat pack kitchen. However, this is the only flat pack that is actually made in Australia. So it has the ABS edging once again, solid 16mm backing. It is the only kitchen, flat pack kitchen in Australia that has a 16mm solid backing. Everything is soft close. The only thing is you need to build it yourself. We offer a free design consultation for all of our kitchens, where a designer will meet with you and design a kitchen. It is a great start to the whole process of you getting a new kitchen. This is a laminate benchtop that goes with the flat pack kitchen. You can have the matte finish, you can have the profile, the Hamptons look, where there is choices to go with it. But the most important thing is the quality is amazing. All high moisture resistant board, all the ABS edging, and the solid backing. The touch catch handles, so that you get that handleless look. And once again, you can have the pull-out pantry, which is great. And they work even better when they're loaded up. We have this is our designer range, like the black kitchen you saw around the front. So this is our Alaskan gloss. It's a beautiful gloss finish. It's actually a cold pressed foil. It's not polyurethane. It is a product that we used to bring in from Italy, and we couldn't keep up with the demand, so we've been doing it ourselves for many years now. It's a beautiful product. To clean it, you wipe it with a dry microfiber cloth. It's chip resistant, scratch resistant, UV resistant. Once again, everything is soft close. People that have had the Alaskan Gloss kitchen and they've sold their home and they're putting in another Freedom kitchen often come back and say, I know what I want a gloss kitchen, because it is so easy to live with. This is our Newbury range, which is our matte range. So that's Newbury Pewter, which is a lovely finish if you like the matte kitchen. We have many different colours in that. There's the bright flare colours, or there are the more subdued, the creams and beige and white and the different greys and charcoals. I hope you've enjoyed the tour here of the Freedom Kitchens exhibition down at the Sydney Home Show, and I hope you come down and see us. We would love to book a designer appointment for you. We'd love to take you through and show you the products. I've only shown you part of the displays here. We do have other displays, however it gets quite busy as I move around, so I've only shown you the part that I've got easy access to. But come on down, we'd love to see you here at the Sydney Home Show.